Okay. Hey, welcome to Claudine's Treats. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry marshmallow. So first of all, we need to prepare our trays. So with my trays, they're 600 by 400, and we need to put foil on it to place the marshmallow on top. So once that's completely covered with foil, what we want to do before we add the marshmallow in is spray it with spray canola oil, and this will stop it from sticking to the foil itself. So make sure the sides and corners are done as well. Is 2 kilos of caster sugar, 1.5 cups of powdered gelatin, and your flavouring can be any flavour you want, but today mine is strawberry, so 100 mils of strawberry flavour. So first of all, we want to dissolve the sugar into the mixing bowl with 3 cups of boiling water. So we add this in, looks about right. Just pour it in with the sugar and just slowly whip that up till it's dissolved. Okay, I have a 30 litre mixing bowl, but to suit you, you just keep halving it and halving it again to suit you. Slow mix till it's fully dissolved. While that's mixing, we need to work on our gelatin mixture. So put your mixture, your gelatin, into a larger bowl, another 3 cups of boiling water. And the trick with gelatin, you must consistently stir until it's completely dissolved. Looks like it's all dissolved now, and that's been about 6-7 minutes. So if you follow me, we'll add that to our sugar. Okay, our sugar syrup is fully dissolved, and we're going to add our gelatin mixture to that. Should do it. So what we want to do is whip it for a little bit and then bring the speed up to maximum. Now we're going to bring that up to maximum speed, it's all sort of slightly mixed in, and then add our flavour. And we're going to mix it for 10 minutes. Working with marshmallow, you have to be pretty fast. So first of all, we need canola oil on our scraper and our spoon. Here we go. May look nice and smooth, but it sets real fast, so you have to work fast. Spread it out evenly, right to the corners. It's nice and fluffy. Here we have it. Looks about even, so to top it off, make it look like it's strawberry marshmallow, I just put a little bit of red colour, a little bit of pink, swirl it around, not too much. Remember, it's still having to work quite fast because of the gelatin setting. And this doesn't have to be perfect, you can do whatever design you want on it. This is just what I do. Then I get a toothpick and I just do swirls. Just in a circular motion. And there you have it. Thing with marshmallow, you've got to let it sit for about 4 hours. So once that sets, then I'll show you what I do from there. Hey, now our marshmallow has set, so now we're up to the cutting stage. So what I've done is put some spray oil on the cutting board and the knife on both sides. And we're going to flop this over. And remember that we did spray the foil beforehand, so it'll come off quite easy. What I do is cut my marshmallow into small pieces. I've added a little bit of desiccated coconut and roasted it so it doesn't stick. Spin it around. So there you have it. Strawberry flavoured marshmallow with desiccated coconut. And with the coconut inside, it'll stop it from sticking to each other. And mix it around so that the marshmallow is completely covered with the desiccated coconut. So this will stop it from sticking when it's packaged.